All right, in this section, we're going to be working some more with calculators. What I'd like you to do is pause the video, make sure you have a calculator with you, plug this in, fill in the table values, and graph this before we start. You should be able to do that. So take a minute, get that in there, and then we will meet together when you get there. All right, so this is what you should have as far as filling in the table of values in the sketch of the first parabola. What values is across the x-axis? And what you should notice is it crosses the x-axis at, over here, 1, 0, and 3, 0. Okay, and you can see that right over here as well. What's the solution to this equation? Well, guess what the solution is? X equals 1 and x equals 3. There's actually two solutions. Now, we haven't shown other ways of solving these yet, but we want to know when this is equal to 0, we're going to have those two solutions. And kind of neat how that works, but we've done this before, very similar to systems of equations, like where do these things cross? This is the same thing. Instead of where do the two lines intersect, we're just saying where is this equal to 0? What's the minimum value of the graph? Again, we're going to go to our calculate screen. Before we do that, we want to make sure we have the minimum value up here. So I'm going to adjust my window to fit what's over here. So I'm going to go from -2 to 6 for my x. I always like to go a little bit beyond, and then -10 to 10 for my y. Again, I always like to go a little bit beyond what those numbers, so this goes from 0 to 8. I'm just going to go on 10. So we want to find the minimum value. We're going to go down here for minimum. So again, that's second. Calculate, go down to minimum, and let's use our Spider-Man again. Left side, right side. Minimum value is 2, -1. See where it says 1.99999? This is an approximation. The answer is 2, -1, and we can see it right up here. This could be 2, -1. How do the intercepts help you find the minimum value? Well, here's what you should notice. See this 2 right here? And notice that's how it's directly between 1 and 3. That really always happens. So if you can find the two solutions where it intersects the axis, right in the middle will be the minimum value of that graph. So again, some more calculator practice. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.